Alright, today I'm going to show you how to charge an Apple Watch. Right here is an Apple Watch, and here is the connector to charge an Apple Watch. It has a USB connection right here. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to first plug in the USB-C cable into the appropriate adapter. So this is the USB-C part that I'm going to plug into the appropriate adapter, plug it in, or I can plug it into my MacBook. And now that I have that, I have this end, and this particular end right here is for connecting it to the Apple Watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Apple Watch, and you can see at the bottom of it is this part right here. It looks like similar to this right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to simply put this against it, and there is a magnetic force which allows it to stick together. So watch this. I'm going to put it right there, and it starts charging up on the device. It starts charging, and it shows right there how much more is to go in order for it to be charged right there. All right, so I'm going to take that, and you see how it is sticking to the bottom of the watch right here in its appropriate location. And it is because there is a magnetic force. Now, when this is done charging, you can see it's a little about 80% right here. When it is done charging, this will be totally filled up. It may look different on your watch depending on various other factors, but it should indicate that the charging is complete. Once it is complete, I'll just simply take the charging connecting cable and detach it from it, and the Apple Watch is charged after it's done. And that is how you charge an Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. No pun intended.